sometimes you want to put a shelf in a closet or a space that's closed in by walls around the front. It makes it kind of impossible to slide it on to the bracket. So that kind of demands a magic trick. Well, we have one. It's this split assembly shelf. Comes apart and lets you put it in there. The shelf needs to be slightly smaller than your closet dimensions, so you can kind of finagle it in there. You can see it's in there pretty good. And then here's the top piece. And you angle that in there. I already put wood cleats on the wall for it to rest on, so that thing goes in there like that. And the bottom piece you lift up and you pin nail that thing on to the bottom. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Visit us on customfloatingshelves.com.